Sammy got a penny for the guy. La la la. I say honey, you say tea. Honey tea, honey tea.
Right, go. Go!
Thank you.
There we're gonna buy fireworks. We're just waiting for the lady.
Which ones?
Pink vintage.
Buy one, get one free. It's a lot. Yeah.
Do you know what that long stick is for?
Big box one here that shoots lots of stuff off.
21.
How many rockets?
Loads.
2 rockets. What's this? Oh, that's the tube. Putting the rockets in. What's this?
Yeah,
Oh, that's for lighting it. We do need to buy a lighter. It's quite a lot. For £20.
Whatever this is. Today is bonfire night, and fireworks are very dangerous. You should handle it to an adult. And when a firework is lit, you should never go back to it.
So how come you're holding fireworks?
Because they're not lit.
Yet.
Yeah.
You don't like one?
No.
You don't? Why?
Very good with fire.
Alright then. Let's get that bonfire done.
Hi, I'm 5'4". The bonfire night yesterday and at school today, and we made these pictures. But remember, fireworks are dangerous, and I drew these fireworks. Yeah. And when you throw the sparkler, remember to not get it off the floor, because sparklers can burn your hand and kill you. And if you have, you've got a firework in your hand, yeah, don't hold it, because you have to give it to a grown-up, because grown-ups only can hold fireworks. Because if you do hold it and not give it to a grown-up, then it'll explode and it'll kill you. And this is my picture. This is,
What's it then? You put your glasses on.
this is
Is it drop?
my fire engine that we made at school, but not today.
No, rocket.
And we drew them, but I didn't decide to draw a fireman. I decided to draw a fire engine, and there's the yellow strip and the red. And I think I should have done the windows black, because there might be curtains. And these are the wheels, and that's the shining where the driving. Then that's it.
this is the shot cake. Wait, look. I think it's all. No, I didn't count. I think I
Oh, it's there.
Oh, I moved. Doing Mission Impossible.
I love doing this. It goes off into Dad's body. Why have you covered it?
Look back, Sammy.
hasn't done anything. He covered it.
No, he put the firework inside the box. So. Where is it?
Covered the fire.
No, he covered the fire so it sets off the fireworks.
Fell down. Is that it?
It's at the top. Look back, Kenny.
I was afraid you could take that.
Big machine. Dad, right! Whoa, what was that? How did you get from there to there that fast? You see that? Did you see how you took it
It's
along?
not finished.
That was good.
Not funny.
Yeah.
Good thing you
He's like, we
I thought
did
he,
jazz
but I was gonna say, Dad, you okay? You okay? Did you get hit? I was gonna say that. Dad, did you get hit by a firework?
Kicked it and it went.
And I was like, oh my gosh, Dad got bit. And I was like, hi
He boomed it. He boomed
Dad. Boomed
it.
it out.
How did you get from the stairs to up the stairs so quickly?
Daddy monster.
Okay, that's it for Buffet.
Yeah, that's it. He set off the bomb. Yeah, that was the mission, Dad. He set off the bomb.
Gunpowder pop.
Dad.
The gunpowder pot, wasn't it? And
Yeah, the gunpowder